represent it where you want. She got a